Today, we will talk about file auto-import in AGen software. In this subsystem, the users can manage file auto-import and store it in AGen software and server. You can find file auto-import management and setting at the left sidebar. In this page, there is a table show the file auto-import. You can add new auto-file import by pressing the Add button above. Fill in the information for file automatic import. You can copy the file address by pressing right-click on the folder path and copy it into the folder path. Click the action to perform action you want set. You also need to upload sample file for the file auto-import to be complete. The file data will be preview under the button, and you need to fill up the remaining text box to complete the file auto-import function. The print command, IP address, and port number. Click the Add button to add the file auto-import. You can edit the selected row by pressing the Edit button above. Click the Update button to complete the editing or cancel to cancel it. You can delete the selected row by click the Delete button above. There's also a complete list above to show the success or fail file auto-import. You can also upload file import manually by pressing the Upload Manually button. Lastly, you can also export the file auto-import table in Excel, CSV format or print. To know us more, you can visit us at agen.mobi or scan the QR code on the screen.